Let us learn about polynomials. Polynomials, you already learned in 9th what is a polynomial. तर पहिला आपण polynomial ची definition समजून घेऊ. Polynomial, it is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression having the power or degree of the variable whole number. समजून घेऊया आपण. अल्जेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन आहे, त्याची पॉवर डिग्री जी आहे ऑफ द व्हेरिएबल कशी पाहिजे आपल्याला, होल नंबर पाहिजे. आता होल नंबर म्हणजे काय? होल नंबर म्हणजे 0 पासून चालू होणार 1 2 3 4. So these are called as whole numbers or these are also called as counting numbers. आपण काय म्हणतो? We call this as a counting numbers. अरे कुछ याद है कि नहीं है? Counting numbers 0 1 2 3 4. म्हणजे हा मायनस असतो का होल नंबर? नाही. The whole numbers are never minus, but they include 0. That means whole number includes all positive integers and 0 integer. काय include करतं? 0 integer plus positive integer. So let us take an example. Let us take an example. 2x raised to cube. Okay. This is an algebraic expression. Whether this is a polynomial, चलो condition देखते हैं. It's an algebraic expression having power degree of the variable which is a whole number. So this is a whole number. What about the constant? Constant ची काय requirement आहे polynomial मध्ये? So ह्याची काय requirement नाही आहे. That means this can be a real number. Normally हा जो constant जो आहे, हा constant जो आहे, that is multiplied with a variable. त्यामुळे हा जो constant आहे, त्याला दुसरे एक नाव आहे. It is also called as coefficient of. Is also called as a coefficient. It is also called as coefficient. बच्चों ध्यान दो. Constant आपण काय म्हणतोय? Coefficient. हा coefficient कुणाचा आहे? हा x cube चा coefficient आहे. So this is an algebraic expression. Constant multiplied with x raised to power 3. Condition काय बघा? 3 has to be, the power has to be a whole number. Whole number म्हणजे काय? 0 1 2 3 4. मग मला सांगा 3 by 2 whole number आहे का? No, this is not a whole number. Okay. Minus 2 whole number आहे का? No, wrong. 0 whole number आहे का? Yes, 0 is a whole number. So let us take some few more examples of polynomials. So I can say 3x square is a polynomial. Yes. 1 upon x is a polynomial. No, because this is equal to x raised to minus 1 and this is not whole number. So this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. अरे कुछ समझ में आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है? ओके, इसको लिखते हैं अभी. Is it a polynomial? Is it a polynomial? Let's check. Let's check. We can write down this cube root. This is a cube root. So y we can write down like this way. Raised to 1 by 3. And 1 by 3 is not a whole number. This is p by q form. This is a rational number. So this does not satisfy the condition of polynomial. So this is not a polynomial. So this is not a polynomial. I think now we are getting this concept of polynomial. Polynomial is an algebraic expression where the degree of the variable is always a whole number. So we can conclude every polynomial is an algebraic expression. बरोबर है ना? Because that satisfies the requirement of algebraic expression. But every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. बच्चे ध्यान में रखो, every polynomial is an algebraic expression, whereas every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Polynomial degree should be a whole number. I think we are now a little bit clear about polynomial. उतार लो. चलो थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं, थोड़ा पॉलिनोमियल में थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं. थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं पॉलिनोमियल में. इट्स इम्पॉर्टंट. तुम्हाला असं वाटत असेल की मी का तुम्हाला एवढं शिकवतोय पॉलिनोमियल. इट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर 10th, 11th and 10th. Without knowing polynomials well, you cannot do further studies of mathematics, particularly quadratic equations and then linear equations. Okay? Let us take only 3. Is it a polynomial? Socho, what is the condition of polynomial? A constant multiplied by variable and the degree of the variable must be a whole number. So let us check it out. This I can write down like this way. 3 into, let us say x is a variable, raised to 0. Because we know anything raised to 0 is equal to 1. So here, 0 is a whole number. So this satisfies this requirement of polynomial. So a constant is a polynomial. So we can write down a constant is a polynomial having its degree as 0. So this particular constant is called as constant polynomial. It is called as a constant polynomial. So every constant is a polynomial. आणि constant polynomial ची डिग्री काय असते? 0. म्हणजे पॉवर, व्हेरिएबल ची पॉवर. x स्क्वेअर, x क्यूब, रेज टू 5, 10 त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? पॉवर. या केस मध्ये कॉन्स्टंट ची पॉवर किती आहे? 0. 0 is a whole number. So it satisfies the requirement of polynomial. So this is called as a constant polynomial. दूसरी एक केस बघू आपण. Let us say I'll take 0. Whether 0 is a polynomial? How is possible? How a value of a term can be 0? Let us check it up. 0 I can write down like this way. A constant 0 multiplied by a variable with power 1, the value becomes 0. Even 0 into y raised to 2 variable, even the power, even this also will become 0. So even I can write down 0 multiplied by y raised to n, the value of the polynomial will become 0. So if whether this 0 satisfy the requirement of polynomial? Yes, because 0 is also a constant, it's a real number, and this variable, this is a whole number. This is a whole number. So this satisfies the requirement of polynomial. So this is called as a zero polynomial. This is called as a zero polynomial. Correct? आता मला सांगा झिरो पॉलिनॉमियलची पॉवर काय असते? God knows, because we know that the constant is 0, but the variable power can be 1, 2, and anything. So we can say the power or degree of a zero polynomial is infinity. Or I can say is undefined. म्हणजे काय? हे कोणती असू शकते, आपण डिफाइन करू शकत नाही. It can be infinite, it can be 1000, 10,000, 1 crore, anything. But since it's multiplied by a constant which is a real number, it is a 0, we get the answer 0. So this is called as a zero polynomial. So I think you have learned now about polynomial, constant polynomial, zero number polynomial. वीडियो पॉज करो, उतारो.